What is up, guys? Johnny Craft Plays here with another video. I'm going to be teaching you how to animate. So let's get to the video. Now, before this video starts, I would like you to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notifications bell so you don't miss another video. Yeah. So what you want to do, there are two ways you can do this: code it or actually animate it and create like thousands of costumes. I'll show you an example. It's called Toast. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, it's basically the life of Toast, sort of like a toast factory. So that's making thousands of costumes. Look at how many costumes there are. So it may look like a lot of costumes, and you're like, nope, I give up. Don't give up, because like it took me only like half an hour to do this. Not very long. So it took me 15 minutes to quickly make this stuff, and the other 15 minutes just making it look better. So this is just backup stuff, just in case I accidentally delete it. Now let's get to the project. So first you want to create a script, and this is if you're wondering if this one's the coded version or not, this one's the one with like 1000 costumes. So what you want to do is, when flag clicked, forever wait at least 0.01 seconds. That's the one that I like to use. And next costume. Now before you run this, you're like, it's only these two costumes, so that's what's gonna happen. If for this one, because there are only two costumes, you want to wait at least 0.1 seconds. So I want 0.01. So I actually don't like this. I don't want this scratch cat to be in my my project. I'm going to create, let's say, a ball. Oh, and if you're wondering how you make perfect circles in Scratch, you press Shift while clicking and dragging your mouse. So now we have a ball, and we want some flat land. Now that's a bit too thick, unless you want to make the ball a bit thicker. So what you want to do is drag this like maybe to the center and put make it go down a bit. So maybe put the ball here. Now what you want to do is slowly move it down. It's been a while since I animated, but if this doesn't go correctly, that happens sometimes. Just looks a bit laggy, looks a bit weird. So to make it realistic, as the ball is about to touch the ground, it's touched the ground now, but we're going to duplicate it, make it go a bit squished, not too squished, maybe like there, squish it a bit more, oopsie, squish it a bit more, then duplicate that one and this one, and then make it go back up. So if this doesn't work, I'll try and fix this. So it's pretty smooth, not too bad, not too laggy. So if it's laggy, if you guys look at my mouse pointer, every 0.1 second it would go instead of moving smoothly. So I'm gonna animate it to bounce. You can animate yours to do whatever you want, but I'm gonna animate mine to bounce. I nearly deleted it. So as you go higher, you wanna slow the ball down. Now you wanna make it gain some speed to make it look like there is actually gravity in this animation. Now let's play. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then what we did before is we squished it a bit more, duplicated this one, and duplicated that one, and now we have a nice ball bouncing thing. I mean, like it can take a few days to animate maybe a stick man running about to kick this ball, but so now let's look at the project. That's pretty good. So now we got it slowing down and we're starting to move it back down like it has gravity. Oh, and now we duplicate this. This can take quite a while, but once it's done, it's quite worth it. Because as you saw, I think I showed you my toast animation. If not, then I will show you at the end of this video. So now, oops, next, that's a pretty decent bouncing ball. Okay, so now, whoops. Oh, actually, because it's bouncing a bit less higher, we're just gonna do that. We're not gonna make two bouncing animations. So now it should look good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So if I duplicate this like 5 times, you'll be able to see it clearly in action. So I'll change the size to like 500. That's probably too big. Yeah, 200. Yeah, that's better. Now if I play it, That's actually pretty good. So now I'll just show you the toast animation. Oh, don't forget to save your project. I'll just leave the toast one. So if I play this, it's pretty cool, right? So I'll just show you how I made it. So as I make the plate go up, I make it move slowly at the start, then I start to move faster. And then once I get there to the middle, I just stopped there. I was wanting to make the plate go in like a bit of a squished formation and then spreads out, a bit like it was running and then a sudden jolt. And then the bread, I wanted to do that with the bread too. So as you can see, it's really slow, starting to build up speed. Now here's the hard part. When I made the knife, I wanted to put some jam onto the bread. So I did that, and I ended up having to actually put in every single detail just to make it perfect. And as you can see, that you can sort of see that why that part of the bread that's not covered by the jam. And then there's the toast again. Then the knife disappears, the plate goes away, starts to go away, still going away, until it's out of the screen, it disappears. That's the best thing you need to do. Now this plastic bag appears. Now as you can see, this line isn't perfect, because if I go here, it goes curved up, and this is like, it needs to be up here for it to become curved like this. So the bread falls into it. It's inside the plastic bag, and it starts to fall. And the part that it starts to fall is when it gets dropped into the lunchbox. So now if I play it, if I show you the part with this part where it's not that good, see that line and this, I'll show you that part. So it's not really noticeable, but you can still see it. So I think I should wrap this video up. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notifications bell so you don't miss another video. And have a nice day.